Hello guys, in this video we will see what is angular velocity and what is angular acceleration. So first we will see what is angular velocity. Very often we are interested in knowing how fast or slow a body is rotating. It is determined by angular velocity, which is defined as the rate at which the angular displacement is changing with time. So delta is the rate of change of angular displacement divided by time. This gives us angular velocity. So it is represented by omega average, or omega, which is equal to delta theta over delta t. The instantaneous angular velocity omega is the limit of the ratio delta w delta theta over delta t. So limit delta t approaches 0, delta theta over delta t is the angular acceleration. So it is a vector quantity. This thing is we should remember. Now we will see its definition. Angular velocity is measured in radian per second. This is the unit, and then it is also given in terms of revolution per minute. So these are the units of angular velocity. Now we will see what is angular acceleration. When we switch on an electric fan, we notice that its angular speed goes on increasing. We can say that it has an angular acceleration. We define angular acceleration as the rate of change of angular velocity. Rate of change of angular velocity with the values of instantaneous of a rotating body at time instant ti and tf. Then the average angular acceleration during the time t is given by omega f minus omega initial divided by tf minus t initial, which is equal to delta omega over delta t. The instantaneous angular acceleration is the limit as delta omega over delta t approaches 0. Therefore, instantaneous angular acceleration is given by delta omega over delta t. The angular acceleration is also a vector quantity whose magnitude is given, whose is along the axis of rotation. Angular acceleration is expressed in units of radian per second square. So that's all the units of angular acceleration. Here we can see a picture in which a body is rotating in a circle around the circle, and its radius is determined by r, and its circular acceleration is called angular acceleration, and its velocity is known as angular velocity. So next video we will see what is the relation between angular displacement and angular linear velocity and angular velocities. What is the difference between these two? This we will see in our next video. Thanks for watching.